We back. Listen, this is a lot of, I'm gonna prove these guys wrong. We got Arlo in the building. Arlo, you up next, you up next. I'm ready. Listen, you seen this guy in Paris, all right? I cut his hair in Paris. He came all the way from Detroit to come here and get his hair cut because we waivers. We on a team. It's a real thing. We had a little bet going on about like football bet going on in here, and they really doubted the fact that the wave game actually has team. The fact that we compete at a high level, just like sports. You know what I'm saying? Waving is a sport, and it's something that these barbers in here really don't know. They really don't know what we do. Okay? Just because we ain't getting paid right now, don't mean it ain't so. Don't mean it ain't so. You talk about a man coming all the way from Detroit just to get a cut? Come on, man. They don't know. They don't know how serious it is. All right, they want to ignore it. They don't even want to add to it or nothing like that. You don't want to add to it or nothing like that. But we gonna come up. We gonna show them right now. They don't want to add to it. Come on, George. What y'all saying now?
Is it a sport or not?
Hey, no habla inglés.
What happened now? He had drip set.
Hey, did I win though?
What team you have?
I don't even know.
He don't even know.
Hey, did I win? Did I win?
Wave Team Championships is the reason why he here.
Did I win?
Wave Team Championships is the reason why my man Arlo is here. Y'all just gonna take it lightly like my man ain't here from Detroit?
This is more important right here, look.
Talk about it.
This is more important.
Oh, you talking about NFL news. You talking about NFL news. We talking about MLW. Come on now, Major League Waving. He here. One of my squad members. Come on now, say something now. That's all I'm saying. Say something now. Y'all was laughing at me. Y'all was laughing at me earlier.
Who was laughing?
Oh, it ain't really a sport. It really is. Come on, Justin. They was saying it. Come on, Justin. Justin, like, leave me out of it. It's real. It's real. All right. We're going to wave check Arlo right now because it's real. We're going to wave check Arlo. It's crickets now, though. All I know is crickets now. They ain't want to bet. They ain't want to bet on it. You know what I'm saying? They ain't really want to put no money up.
Wait, hold on.
They ain't really want to put no money up. But I had to put. You see, the thing is, I had to put money up on the NFL game. I had to spend $50.
About money. You never said anything about money. Without being serious. You did. You didn't even say.
I should have put the camera. I should have pulled the camera out when.
No, this is not you.
No, this is 100%. This is what? I was trying to explain to y'all that it's a real thing the whole time. The whole time I was trying to explain to y'all it's a real thing, and they turned me down. They didn't believe in it. I showed them the app that we was on. I showed them the pages that we was on. Come on. It's a sport. It's a sport. Wave check. We wave checking in Paris. Come on now. Y'all seen the bid. All right.
Huh?
Woo!
See, I'm not the only one.
Woo! You crazy. You crazy. Come on, man. Y'all see the spinners? Y'all see the waves? All right, Arlo, what you taking it down to?
3.5, and I'm keeping the edges thick. The last two waves thicker. Leave the crown alone.
What type of taper?
On low taper.
All right, you guys, so you heard my client through the consultation. He wanted a 3. So before I start cutting anything, I'm gonna lift the hair off of the scalp by combing the hair through, making sure that I'm going with the grain of his pattern. So using my Babyliss Pro Lithium FX with the 3 guard with the lever open, I'm going with the grain of his pattern. You said a 2 with the grain, right? I'm just playing. I'm okay, where my chorus and waves at? So after that, you want to make sure that you brush the hair back down in place. That way, everything is nice and laid. So my client wanted a low taper. So right now I'm setting my bald line lower, not really going above that ear. That way it leaves me room to actually fade up. Now, the reason why he wants a low taper is because he wants the waves to come all the way down to his lineup area as much as possible. Next, I'm gonna debulk, all right? Using my 1 guard with the lever open, and I'm debulking the sides. Now, I'm also realizing this is how far I'm gonna go up, all right? I'm not gonna go up any higher than this. I'm setting that as my goal, not to go any higher than this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep flicking out, making sure that I get a line that's neat, a guideline that's really neat, and from there, my mindset is blending down, all right? Not going any higher than this. Where some barbers go wrong is that they think that waivers want a stretched out blend when that's not the case, all right? We want an itty bitty little taper with a crispy line. That's what most waivers want. And I'm talking about real waivers that look like this. Now, I'm just gonna close the lever on that 1 guard and just clean up the bottom. With the lever open, I'm going up half of what I did with the 1 guard open. I basically went up a 1/2 inch with the 1 guard open. So I'm going up half of that with the lever open. So I know it's hard to see, but there is a middle line that I need to flick out. All right, with the 0 guard close and a flick out motion, I'm just using my corners, flicking out that middle line. So whatever the 0 guard close couldn't take out, I always like to go back with my lever open and just detail as I go. Next, it's time to attack that bottom line. With the lever fully closed and a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line, start below the line, flick to the line. And last but not least, what you want to do is detail work, all right? Detailing is extremely important. What I like to do is I like to look in the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend than just seeing it head on. If you don't have a mirror, I like to rest my eyes, come back to the blend, and just kind of use corner work, all right? Go with the grain if you're trying to debulk, and even do a little freehand to kind of get that blend to blend into the bulk. So as far as the back goes, I use the same exact steps. The only difference is that you have a lot more room to work with, all right? So my method is basically debulk and let that be your guideline of how far you need to go up, all right? I go up with the 1 guard and I make sure that I stop there and blend down, all right? Don't get too ahead of yourself and think that a waiver wants to see this gradual blend. No, we want all the waves as closest to the line as possible. So if you could keep a taper low, that'll be your best bet to keep that waiver. Don't be in your head about waivers being so picky, because really we don't really ask for much. It's just keeping a low taper and a fresh line. That's really all we want.
Looking for
Listen, let me tell you why they travel so long to get this cut. Because when I spin them in a chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like
God did.
YouTube. This is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Shout out to my man Arlo for coming all the way from Detroit. If you want to know where you can get the hottest oils in the game, YouKnowMyBody.net. Make sure you go to that site and pick out some oil and some butter today. All right, his butters is fire. And also make sure you follow him at YKMB_Arlo on Instagram and TikTok. But like I said, hit that subscribe button. More videos to come. It's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm out of here. Peace.